Bruce, one of the things I always hear about, especially when I teach fellows and things like that, is I tell them to sound the vessel or the occlusion or whatever with the wire. Give me your take on wire and figuring out what you're actually treating.
Not all wires behave the same way in disease. And having a familiarity perhaps with a hydrophilic wire that's 035 for an angled 018 wire versus an 014 wire, they're all a little different. I am impressed by penetration power. Are you familiar with that concept, penetration power? I'm sure you are, in which the penetration power is your ability to get a wire through a lesion. And part of that's dependent on tip stiffness and the overall diameter of the wire. So a smaller wire that's very stiff has greater penetration power. When we're thinking about occlusions that are most likely to benefit from Pounce, you don't need a hard, stiff wire to cross through the occlusion. You need something that will just kind of run right through, once you get through that top cap, through a fairly soft type of thrombotic milieu. If you're struggling to get the wire down through the lesion, that's not the ideal artery that may benefit from this, because it doesn't remove plaque, it doesn't remove intima, it doesn't remove old resin fibrous stuff that's stuck to the wall. It will remove stuff that's easily traversable with a hydrophilic wire.